Hi there, I'm Andy Hillier, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Good As Hell by Lizzo. It's going to be a really quick video because there's literally one line of music through the whole song, just keeps repeating, 2 bars. What I think of it, if you could subscribe to my channel, give me a like on this video, and any song requests, put them in the comment section down below and I'll try and do a video for you. Okay, so Good As Hell sounds like this. So let's learn that. Okay, we need to put a capo on the 1st fret. And then we're going to start off with a G chord. I've got my 2nd finger on E3. I've got my 3rd finger on B3. So the E3 at the top and then B3. I'm also putting my little finger on E3 nearest to the floor, even though I'm not playing that note. Okay, I'm doing fingerstyle and I'm using my thumb to play the top E string, my index finger to play the D, the 2nd finger or the middle finger on the G, and my 3rd finger on the right hand on the B string. So I play that all at the same time, and then I'm going to play the B and the G strings and then the D string afterwards, so you get this. And then the next chord is D/F sharp. 1st finger on E2 nearest to your face, 2nd finger on B2, G2, and 3rd finger on B3. And we're going to play all those E, D, G and B strings. And then you can either play all those strings twice, or I've written it as not playing your thumb on the 2nd hit, so you get... So from the beginning you get this. And then we've got an E minor chord, which is just A2 and D2. But you have to play it with your 1st finger on A2 and 2nd finger on D2, because in the next bar we're going to use the other 2 fingers to do this little kind of arpeggio type thing. So you hit that E minor, keep that down, put your 3rd finger on E2 and your little finger on B3, and you're going to play the E string, the B string, the G string, back to the E string again, then B string, G string. So that little bit goes. So let's put the whole thing together really slowly. It sounds like this. Up to speed. Okay. Sometimes, because it's played on piano, and sometimes there's slight little variations on it. Sometimes it goes, there's kind of like a little arpeggio on the 2nd hit, so you play the chord and then play B, G, D, one after another, and then putting that in, so you got. And that's it, just keeps going round through the whole song. Hopefully you've enjoyed that little lesson of mine. If you have, if you could subscribe to my channel, which is Andy Hillier, give me a like on this video, and put some comments in the comment section as well, down below. Let me know what you thought of the video. Thanks for watching this. I've been Andy Hillier, and I'll see you next time.